want to say, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I got a comment asking if GME was still a play. I think it is. Looking at the 2 week, and again, this is based off of the 2 week close, right? Perfect entry on the 2 week on my triggers, right? Green bubble, and then you have the stochastic at lows. You have earnings, not next week, but the week after, right? In about 3 weeks or so. Usually what happens on perfect entries on the 2 week is, let's go back historically to see what happens, right? Last time you closed this 2 week on the perfect entry, right? You pushed up from $10 to 16, and then you went from that close of 16 all the way up to $65, right? And then the previous 2 week close, you closed at, let me see, 15, and then you went up to around $17, right? And then the 2 week, right? Perfect entry right here. Perfect entry on the 2 week. You closed here at 22. You went up to 24. Perfect entry here. You went up. You closed at 2 week. Perfect entry right here. You went all the way from 15 all the way up to 26. So about a $10 move, right? So every perfect entry has been some sort of a spike the next 2 weeks up, right? It's been 37 to, yeah, around $10 on that extra spike. And again, same here, same thing here, closed here, shot up to 47, right? Closed here, shot up, and then perfect entry on the 2 week, right? I'm looking for 2 week perfect entries. I got to scroll all the way down because this was back when it was like $1. Again, perfect 2 week close, right? 2 week entry close here. Boom, the next week, shot up. Perfect 2 week, right? In the next month or so, boom, shot up. Perfect entry here. This is when we went from $1 all the way to 120. So yes, I am looking for GME to still push possibly within the next week. If it does nothing in the next 2 weeks, I'm out, right? Because at the end of the day, predicting these GME pumps is really kind of a gamble. But historically, when this 2 week closes for the next 2 weeks, it tends to pump another $10 or so. So I am looking for a $37, push to $37, like right here. But more so, right, if it does break this level, actually, let's go to the 1 week, right? Let's set up, that's at least minimum, let's at least set up some levels of what it needs to break, right? That way you guys understand what has to go on. So on the weekly, right, some major levels for you guys to understand is this one, right? This is really the only level that I care about right there, 29.27, right? Let's change this to red. And the next major level for us to break is this, right? 48.18, right? And we end up closing, right, above this 29.14 level. Actually, should be a little bit lower, right there. 29.18, right? If we close above 29.18 on any weekly candle, right? So if you close above here, right, then the next level is going to be $48, right? I can almost guarantee you that next level is going to be $48. Again, you can go sideways up a little bit, but it's going to go to 48 if it breaks to this level, right? Because you got nothing here. There's no resistance, no nothing. Eventually, it's going to hit this top right here. So I'm looking for 29.18 to break. Once that breaks, then I can almost guarantee $48 is going to happen, but you got to close a bullish candle above that. So I'm still in GameStop. I still like it. I think my calls are for a month and a half out or something. I think right now they're like 20% down, but I don't care because they're just gambles, right? So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.